welcome you all to RKP online classes, and I am really happy to have you here on this portal. Today I am going to start with the chapter The Enemy that I gave you in your holiday homework. I hope you would have gone through the chapter. So I am going to give you the summary in a nutshell. So in this way we may revise it and you can also get your concepts clearer. First of all, I will tell you about the author. Its author is Pearl Sidenspiker Buck, and her lifespan was 1892, when she was born in 1892, and she left this world for heavenly abode in 1973. She was an American writer and novelist, and she spent approximately 40 years of her life in China because she had been shifted there with her family, and she was daughter of missionaries. That's why she got accustomed, and she was well versed with the tradition and customs of the China over there. That's why she was given a Chinese name that was Sai Shenshu. Fine. Regarding her academic awards, she was awarded the most renowned award in the realm of literature, that was Pulitzer Prize in 1932 and Nobel Prize in the year 1938. Now let us move towards the characters of the chapter. So here they are. There are a number of the characters. First of all, Dr. Sadao Hoki. Sadao Hoki is a Japanese doctor and who was trained by Americans. Next comes Sadao's father. He was much concerned about his son's education, and he is a true patriot. Means he had strong feelings regarding his son to get education, higher education, and that's why he did not hesitate to send him in America. Next comes Hana. Hana is wife of Dr. Sadao, to whom he met in America. They got befriended and he married her in Japan. Next comes Tom. Very important character. Who is Tom? Tom is POW, means prisoner of war. He is a soldier of US Navy. Another character, the old general. He is a Sikh general who belonged to Japanese army, and he needed some operation and he trusted only Dr. Sadao. Next, an officer. Who is that? He is a messenger of the general who come to Sadao to bring some messages, and there are a number of servants in the house. They are gardener. Yumi is her Dr. Sadao's maid servant, and gardener who takes care of the plants of garden over there, and the cook. So these were the characters. Let us move towards the backdrop of the story. The story highlights how a Japanese doctor saves a life of a man who is apparently his enemy, who is POW. POW means prisoner of war, and he rises above national prejudices. Prejudice means it is a strong or unreasonable feelings of likes or dislikes about someone or somebody or something. So, reading such kind of feelings in his heart, he even forgets where does he stand, and he did not hesitate to risk his honor, his position, and even his life by offering the shelter to the person who is an American prisoner. The author here has beautifully portrayed the conflict in the doctor's mind as a private individual and as a citizen with a sense of national loyalty. Next comes to its setting. The story takes place on a coastal town of Japan in the year 1941 when Japan attacked Pearl Harbor. Fine. So a war, there is an ambience of war that is going on between Japan and America, and Japanese were hostile. They had hostile feelings to the Americans and ready to kill any American found in the sand of their nation. And if I talk about its theme, so it gives the message that humanism transcends all the man-made barriers and prejudices. Dr. Sadao is quintessentially a human upholding the ethics of a medical practitioner, of a medical doctor in treating his enemy. It is all about Dr. Sadao. How does he maintain his position as a doctor? So it was all about the character, the backdrop of the story. Now I am going to tell you the summary in parts, in nutshell. First of all, in the World War II, America and Japan were at war. So a Japanese Dr. Sadao hated America because of his patriotism, because of his upbringing that his father gave him. He had been raised by his father, who was also a great patriot. Dr. Sadao had met Hannah, his wife, in America, where he had gone to study surgery. He lives in a house that was solitarily situated on a seashore. When Dr. Sadao engrossed in his past and he was spending some time in his balcony with his wife, what does he saw? An American prisoner of war is washed ashore by the sea in front of doctor's house. So he crawls towards the house and then falls unconscious. It happens before Dr. Sadao's eyes. Considering him to be a fisherman, okay, he did not know at that very moment that he was POW. He was a prisoner. He was somebody who can be named as his enemy. He just thought the man might be some fisherman. So they run, both of them, husband and wife, ran to help him. Upon recognizing that he is an enemy, Dr. Sadao has no reason. He did not have any reason to save him, and he thinks of leaving him there to die or throw him back into the sea. So this was the situation that author gave him. You can say the author gave him this situation before Dr. Sadao to decide what is important for him at that very moment, whether to treat that man or to leave him to die.